Right, so today let me show you how to open a Microsoft Word document inside Google Docs. So the first thing you need to do is find out where your Microsoft Word document is saved on your computer. So mine is right here on the desktop. Yours could be anywhere. All right. All you have to do is know exactly where it is. So this is mine. And so to open this inside Google Docs, you first go to your browser and open Google Docs. So that's going to be docs.google.com. And then let's go ahead and click on blank document to open a new blank document. Now in this new blank document, you want to go to file in the top left corner, click on that, and then select open. Now from the open menu, you have all these options, and at the end you have upload. So click on that and then click on browse, and then now you can navigate to where you've saved your document. So it could be in the documents folder, it could be in downloads, it could be wherever. So for me, mine is on the desktop. So I'll just click on the desktop, select my Microsoft Word document, and then click on open. And that's going to open that Word document inside Google Docs. There you go. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.